Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to make the velocity edit on your CapCut. So first, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. The first step that we'll need to do is to simply download the CapCut on your device. So you can go ahead and go into your App Store or Play Store, whatever device that you use. So in here, and after installing the CapCut on your device, go ahead and tap on to open. And then we are going to tap onto the new project. So just go ahead and select the photo or the video that you want to edit with here on CapCut. So I'm just going to choose right here any video that I want. So this is the video. Then after that, tap on to the add on the bottom right corner of the screen. So for me to be able to edit this and make this into velocity, what I am going to do is to add some audio first or add some background music first. So I'm just going to tap onto the audio and then sound. And then you can actually select any music or sound that CapCut is already offering. What we can do is to link your TikTok account right here, and the sound that you save on your TikTok, you will be able to see it right here. So I'm just going to tap on some random sounds here just to make an example right here. Then just going to click on or match the sound with my video. So spin and delete. So to make the velocity edit, we can go ahead and tap onto. So you'll need to tap onto the video here and then tap onto the style on the bottom right part of the screen. So right here, it says style. So go ahead and tap onto that. And after, we're going to scroll right here until we see the velocity. It says right here out of velocity. So just go ahead and tap onto that. So the CapCut will automatically generate and edit the video and make it into a velocity edit. So just wait for a few seconds. So as you can see right there, the video is already done. So that is how you can create or how to make your velocity edit on your CapCut. So if you're already satisfied with the video, can go ahead and tap onto the export icon right here on the upper right part, and then just wait for a minute. After exporting this video, we can go ahead and upload it on your TikTok account or any platforms that you want. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.